Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite your friends to the 8-ball pool application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on this button down below, this yellow button in the left side corner of the screen. After that, click on invite friends. That's the button down below in the right side, and you should type in either the unique ID number or the name of that person that you want to invite. Tap on the button search, and here you are going to find all of the friends that are available. So click on the add friend button, and as you can see, you have added this user to your friends list. So if you want to challenge him or her, tap on the challenge button, select the city, and you will be able to start playing. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.